we're having a great flood right here right now, and there goes Diana playing in it. Oh my God, Brandon, they're all over there in the rain. Are you guys crazy? Do it again, Ben videotaping ya. Hi! You must be crazy. They're crazy. Wow, look at that water. And it's still playing in the rain. Ow! Get out of the rain!
Remember when I was down there, rain like that and it flooded. I stayed out there and flooded. Yeah. I forgot our cellar.
They're still out there.
Yeah, and our landlord was up there yesterday and again today. And
They're street
roof on there. I'm gonna take pictures on my camera and show everybody. My deck. Oh my God, he's doing a damn good job. He started the deck last year and then he had problems money-wise.
Hi, I'm out here in the rain. That garden's already getting flooded out. How you like the water? It's exploding out here. I'm barefoot. Huh? No, trying to videotape the flood. So we can put it on YouTube channel and then post it on Facebook and show people it's been really bad out. The drain back here started floating right up. Yeah. I'm dancing in the rain, barefooted. Let's look at the clouds. Get further up here. This is a street that actually got flooded that one year. About 3 years ago. Whoop, I better get in the house. Here's how high it's gotten since all that downpour. Hey, puppy. You seen that downpour? That's about 3 years ago, this thing actually flooded. We're all the way down the street. That's like our river. It destroyed some of the streets along the way. Yeah, because I'm putting it on YouTube, and then they put it on Facebook, and then people go see it.